I put vinegar in the washing machine and regretted not doing it sooner. Look at this. We were about to wash clothes here at home, and this is what happened. The clothes came out full of lint and little hairballs. Some pieces even looked slightly stained. Many people think the problem is the detergent or the fabric, but in most cases it means something else. Your washing machine needs cleaning and basic maintenance, and the truth is, very few people know how to do this the right way. The good news is that one of the best solutions is already sitting in your kitchen, and this simple trick can save you money and keep your machine running properly. To begin, grab a small container. The first ingredient we're going to add is baking soda, a product that many households already use for cleaning. Add 1 heaping tablespoon into the container. The second ingredient is vinegar, but it needs to be alcohol or white vinegar. Pour a small amount into the same container with the baking soda. As soon as the vinegar touches the baking soda, you'll notice the reaction starting immediately. That bubbling foam is completely normal. It means the mixture is activating and beginning to break down residue. During the washing process, vinegar offers several benefits when used correctly. It helps neutralize odors, remove soap buildup, and even reduce bacteria that may remain on dirty clothes, especially items like children's clothing or clothes we wear outside during the day. Once the reaction slows down and the foam settles, the mixture is ready to use. Now comes the most important part of the trick. With the washing machine empty and the detergent dispenser open, pour the entire mixture inside. This powerful combination will help clean the internal parts of the machine, especially areas where detergent residue, softener buildup, and lint tend to accumulate. Many technicians recommend washing your machine at least once a month to prevent these problems from building up. But we're not finished yet. For the final touch, add 2 wet wipes directly into the drum of the washing machine. Yes, wet wipes. When the machine runs its cycle, the wipes help collect loose lint, residue, and tiny particles that remain inside the drum. When the cycle finishes, take a look at the wipes. You'll be surprised by how much dirt they capture. The residue removed can include leftover fabric fibers, softener buildup, soap residue, lint, and other impurities that affect the quality of your wash. This final step helps ensure that both your washing machine and your clothes come out truly clean. By maintaining your washing machine regularly with baking soda and vinegar, you can avoid many common problems and save money that might otherwise be spent on repairs. Issues like lint on clothes, unpleasant odors, and strange stains often disappear after a proper cleaning. Keeping your washing machine clean doesn't just improve your laundry results, it also helps extend the life of the machine itself. It's a simple habit that keeps your clothes fresh and your washing machine working the way it should.